Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Jito, back with another video, back with another bang to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Oculus Quest 2. I recently just got it and I'm actually really excited to actually, get my hands on it and start playing hella games with it. Ever since this dropped, I've been wanting to play it. Like this dropped like what, 2 years ago, 3 years ago? And I've just been wanting to get a hold of it and just like, get the experience to play with it. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. All right, so hold on, there's a tab over here. Oh, you're gonna open it like that. And then as you get it, silicone wrap around it. You can see in front of the cover of the box, you get the headset, the 2 controllers. Actually, there's a list right here, if you guys can see that right there. VR headset, silicone cover for facial interface, 2 controllers, power adapter, glasses spacer if you're wearing glasses like I am, and charging cable. And the one I got, it came with 128 gigabytes. So first you see, take this. Ooh, look at the logo. That's the logo, if you guys don't know. Ooh, okay, so as you open it, as you can see, you have the little, tells you what to do in the front cover of the box. Let's take the headset out first. This looks amazing. What did I just take out? Silicone cover on the top. You guys can see that, put that right there. See the headset, the little cover on the box, to take that out too. Then come out, all right, put that right here. And then here it is, bro, it looks so tough. I just wanna try it out. Get the little headset, put that over here. And then next thing, oh wait, hold on, the glasses spacer, for glasses like mine's. There, definitely use that. And then here are the controllers. Which one's the left one? Is it the right one? I guess like this. And then finally, I think this is the adapter, charger, and blah 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 cables. So as you can see, we got a little the box, the little cable brick thing you get, and then the charger, which it goes right here. And there's also cameras in the facing the front, which probably has something to do with something, I don't know yet. And then the headphone jack right there. We're about to get into it real quick. And, okay, but yeah, that should be it. I'm gonna show you guys a quick gameplay and then I'm gonna be off playing. I'm gonna be grinding on this, bro. Pause. Hey yo, so I'll see you guys on the computer. Getting hands-on with it was a different story. I couldn't tell what was reality and what was not, because it was just, everything felt realistic, as if I was actually in the game, as you could tell from the gameplay. But as soon as you boot up your VR, it'll show you how to use your thumbsticks, how to use your triggers, and how to use your controllers with the full optimization, and it'll give you a little tutorial on how to move things and interact with other objects in the VR games. They gave me a shooting game and I kinda went crazy, as you can see from this clip. But what's special about the Oculus Quest 2 is you don't need like a PC or a computer to connect to play games. Everything is built already into the system, so you can automatically just boot up a game that you want to play and enjoy. Speaking of games, there are a multitude of games that you can play on the VR, including boxing, meditating, VR chat, and a whole bunch of other games. All in all, I 100% recommend the Oculus Quest 2. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. If you guys are ever looking for a console, this is the console to pick up, the Oculus Quest 2. It is The head straps are comfortable, it fits perfectly on your head, you can adjust it with the straps. You really feel virtually into the VR, you're really in there, and it's kind of like an escape of reality from this world. And that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel and this is your first time seeing my videos, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.